Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Today we're going to be unboxing the YONHAN 12 volt, 8 amp, 24 volt, 4 amp pulse repair battery charger. Microprocessor controlled professional automatic switch mode for charging AGM, gel, SLA, and wet batteries. LCD display and pulse repair charge, overheat, overcharge, short circuit, and reverse polarity protection. Maximizes battery life. So let's open this bad boy up and see what all comes inside. So it looks like the cables are nice. Not a super thick wire, but it'll do. They're not very long, I'm gonna have to say. I was hoping they'd be a little longer. So here is the battery charger, and then you have the user manual. So I'm going to pause the video and I'll plug this bad boy in, and we'll see what it looks like when it lights up. Alright, we are back. So right here we have what it looks like when it is on. So it is charging at 14.2 volts. It is 18 degrees Celsius, and we are charging at 1.2 amps. So that's pretty cool. It is charging at 12 volts. And here's a little thing that'll tell you how charged the battery is as it's going, which is kind of cool, so you know how much is left for the battery to charge. If you guys have any questions in the comments below, let me know. And hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us out. I'll see you guys later.